Because a man saw that he was falling and needed you to stand on his feet, now coming to you to tell you he has changed does not mean you should trust him 1001%, because a man will stain your white any day, anytime. And you see that character in a man cannot be changed overnight. My beautiful and amazing people. Leila Jeremy, the Moroccan wife of Ned Woko, I wan carry una enter into the main gist gangan wetin happen on this day wey una dey see for my screen so. They attended a birthday party of Ned Nwoko colleague wey be senator wey im name na Jarigbe, wey celebrate im 55 years birthday on earth as a living legend and a senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Now, Ned Nwoko went on this occasion with Leila, his beautiful, adorable, mind-blowing, patient, perseverance, according to Ramo. Now, all these things now in been talk last 2 weeks, wey im come prophesy love to Leila Jeremy. No name wey e no call Leila on that particular day. Why? Because Leila was able to defend him when everybody else was casting the stone. Now, people come dey divided say talk. For Leila to say Regina Daniel na im be the problem, the thing come be 50-50 say talk. Na fellow wife na im dey talk say husband dey perfect so, meaning say Regina Daniel na im be the problem for that house. Tete Leila still went ahead to say that Regina was the one that spoiled her. Na she introduced her to so many kind of lifestyle wey she no dey do before. And that particular lifestyle almost push her comot for husband house. People come dey say, hey, small Regina of 24 years, na him come carry you put for lifestyle. You, how old are you? But in all, some people still dey say it's possible. This one, that one. That is the haters of Regina Daniel. Now, Regina, on the other hand, come talk and say, Leila, they talk all these things wey she dey talk. Na just for say she been want make she even comot for the picture. But make she no forget all the incidents wey been don happen. Say e happen to her now, she dey celebrate. Make she no forget say even she no dey safe. Leila think say na prophecy wey no go come to reality. Na Regina Daniel dey talk. E no know say in as much as say e bin don dey occur on several occasions, e no go stop to dey occur. My people, drama dey happen for Ned Nwoko's house. Now, who no know, na im go think say perfection dey there. You go come dey tap into wetin no good, whereas where you dey even dey come from, over good dey worry am. Wey make people dey talk and say, be careful what you pray for. Always pray for your own to be better. Because by the time you pray for your own to be better, God will give you the one that suits you and not another man's prayer point. Because everybody gets a prayer point for this life. Wetin me I dey pray for, e no go be wetin you dey pray for. But by the time wey I start dey tap from wetin you dey pray for, God go come see and say, this girl, see wetin she say she want, make I carry and give her now. Whereas I no know wetin dey sup for inside there. My people, they attended this birthday together. Ned Nwoko and Leila, and cameraman, in bodyguards, police them and all. Na so they arrive the occasion. Una see as they elegantly enter with happiness, smiles. Even though some people say Leila was not happy 100%. That if to say na Regina Daniel, immediately they enter the place, they go know say, Regina don't enter. She go take over the show entirely. But Leila entered, even though they still know say person enter now, moko no lie. But Leila was not 100% happy in this particular video wey una dey watch on my screen so. Now, Ned Nwoko composed am immediately say, we spent last night celebrating my distinguished colleague, Senator Jarigbe, as he turned 55, wishing him good health, clarity, and a fulfilled year ahead. Na how Nedwoko take post am o. Come even tag Leila to the particular post. Leila on the other end come also post a particular place where she dey greet people. She cut am from where they enter. Post the side where she dey greet people, the people dey greet her, you understand, and that kind of thing, so that she go let the whole world know say she too, she is being loved and celebrated. She come write am, together with the love of my life, in his colleague's birthday, Senator Jarigbe, I celebrate you today, tomorrow, and may you live long in clarity and fulfilling years ahead. Now, how she too can take drop the post PDC. Now, immediately she drop am. Not quite long, the unimaginable happened. They were in the party, oh, they finish party. You know, say now if they finish party, now they can't drop post. But no be where the both of them drop this post, now there way end. Now only Network still living on. But Leila, she don't even deactivate her Instagram. Like she deactivate them in a way like she deleted every post we did there, including her profile picture. Now they see her for my screen, and she deletes everything. Now, according to wetin they say it happened for inside that occasion, that particular day, wetin transpired, we resolve to Leila coming to delete everything the same way wey Regina Daniel do the last time before she finally say it is over. Finally, she no fit hide again. Now, make una carry una chair come closer. Make una come hear the matter wey dey ground. Before I go cap una the koko wey dey for ground, we say I make I no come forget to do the needful. I greet una according to the time wey una dey take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. I had to so very plenty for always supporting this brand. May God in His infinite mercy continue to dey bless una, replenish una pocket, guide and protect una for all you do. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I remain your humble girl, Gifted Gist. I know they bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use Gonete beg una make una help us subscribe. Hit on notification bell so they go notify you anytime we drop latest ogbonge tori like this. My beautiful and amazing people, hope say una don come closer. Una don buy popcorn with chill water or chill drink. Make una dey throw one bang 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 while I carry una enter into the gist. Now, according to the information that when they arrived the scene where the birthday party was taking place, Nedwoko was seated, Leila was seated, everybody was seated. As usual now, it was all full of fun. Everybody was happy. They cracked joke. They jolly. They enjoy the moment. They can't talk say they won't do get together night. That is the senators then. The ones wey no come with their wife, make dem call their wife. So the ones wey never marry, of which e no dey possible, but it is still possible sha, I never can tell. They say the ones wey never marry, make dem call their side chick, but they wan do all night on a normal time. But if you want your wife to go, or anybody wey you carry come, no wahala. But the senators, they want to have a all night party. Na im Nedwoko, after they finish that one, when he hear say they wan do all night party, he say make Leila dey go back house, make driver go drop Leila for house, make dem come back. Leila was like, I am ready to stay now, no wahala. He say no, say they say na the men, the senators, the men dem, na im they say make dem remain. They no talk say make senators' wives remain. Say he will wait, when the party is over, he will return back. But she should go back home and take care of the children. I am like, wait, the last time I checked, una say una get nanny. Why you can't pursue her, make she go back house, go check up on the children? Whereas other people, wives, then they there, not knowing say Nedwoko get plan of bringing another woman to the scene. Now, Leila was angry, but she no even vex 100%. She was like, no problem. Make she go back house, go look after those children, like the husband have suggested. Leila left. Immediately she left, Nedwoko called another woman come the scene. Now the woman came and took over Leila's space. They were having fun, enjoying the moment and all. Only God knows wetin happen wey one person come go do amebo for Leila say, ah, I asked your husband and he said you just left. Immediately, this his female friend came in. Yeah, so no problem now. Do have a wonderful day ahead. But I wanted discussing business with you because when I know say Leila dey into flight. She get a Nedwoko open company where they book flights and all. If you want travel to any country of your choice, now Leila now you go contact for all those ones. So Leila dey today the woman say to she go later come office come meet her. Make they discuss about the business where she get. Say e get wedding where she won't attend and she go need book flight for so many people. Saying that her son won't do wedding, this one, that one, that one. She just gossip that one, enter house. Leila come dey call Nedwoko. Guess what? This same thing happen inside last year when they allege say Nedwoko and Chika Ike they went on a party like this. Wey Nedwoko no carry Regina Daniel, he no carry Leila, he no carry any of him wife, but he carry Chika Ike go the occasion where they say Chika Ike true she too she go outshine. Immediately she enter the place and confirm and say somebody enter. Now they gossip the matter give Regina Daniel that time. Regina Daniel was angry, but she never acted like the way Leila was acting. She played matured. We make the talk and say, you see this Regina Daniel, she might be small, but you see her sense. Her sense no be here own. Immediately the woman told her, she was like, she's my colleague. She only came to support the process and all. That no problem, it's fine. Now the woman said no problem. The way they still gossip this one, the person was not direct though, but he let Regina Daniel know to say her colleague is here and they are having a nice moment. And how come she is not here as a senator's wife? Now Regina just whine and say she come out this one, that one, that time which is going to a year plus now. Now Leila they can't tell her about this one. Leila was so pained and devastated. The same Leila will come out, come reply to a commenter, we tell her say, you think say na only you, as Regina Daniel don't come out, no worry. They go look for another woman we go replace you. Leila replied, and I quote, she say, if another woman come, I will welcome her. Meaning say, if Nedwoko bring another woman, according to what that person talk, she go welcome the woman. I can't wonder why Leila was now angry at what the information that was being passed. Even me, I was even surprised. I was like, are you sure this my information? Where I get them from? He align at all? You sure say truth they am? Wey make me, I took my time before even coming out to say anything concerning that matter until when person will be insider, we know what's up, where they know everything where they happen for Nedwoko house. Come talk and say Ipa that was all over Abuja with his side chick. Ada is the one that Iyawo Morocco is using to pepper online in-laws. Feel pressured by online shenanigans at your own peril. Even today, Gangan, Ipa was with this babe. Social media is not indeed real life. Now how this insider come reveal the secret say this night gangan wey this party happen, Nedwoko was with this lady, but Morocco use am come pepper online in-laws. If you carry am for head, come dey tap wetin no good, that one concern you. Na that one na im come make me talk say so my information legit well for this insider to come talk this one, meaning say omo my information center tight gan. They dey represent me, no be here own. I am like, na Leila Cheremi come call Nedwoko. Nedwoko did not pick the call. She come call the driver wey bin go drop her, say im don come back to that place. The driver say yes, he is there now. He say, what about her husband? He say the husband is inside, while them they are outside. Say, what about the securities? He say all of them are outside, the husband is inside. He say, He say, but she wanted to talk to him. And he say, they don't lock the place, so they know they allow people come in or go out again. That all of them are inside. Leila come say okay, she cut the call, come call Ned Nwoko back again. Almost how many missed call? Ned Nwoko no pick. Immediately, she felt it. That's how Leila went straight to her media handle, go delete everything, including, because if she deletes only that one, people go ask say why she deletes that only that post. Na im she settle down delete everything, including her profile picture, leaving the page as empty as nothing, just like as if you don disable the account. My people, I say polygamy is never for the faint heart. Regina Daniel chest am. Did not even give anybody room to even think otherwise. So na true Regina Daniel now dey talk say na she be the boss. Na she even dey pursue Ned Nwoko say abeg go meet your wife o, make you try go knack dem. Say Regina Daniel dey good, dey give am back to back, give am basmatic style in the other room wey be say e no dey even send Leila and others. Now wey she no dey now, even him, e don dey leave the Leila, dey go dey find another person. Na im make dem dey always dey talk am say because of say you train goat like say na family member, the goat don know everybody, e don know in and out. No mean say you go still carry your yam wey be your last hope come drop am for the goat. E go chop am no matter how hard wey you try to defend a man, cover him up, make him look good in the eyes of people, does not mean he is now a saint. At any given time, he will decide to change. Rub it on your face. Rub it on your face. Regina talk am, people no believe. Now e don dey happen. Shebi dey say na Regina Daniel na im be the problem of the marriage. Dey say na Regina Daniel na im dey jealous. E dey pepper her say Ned Nwoko love Leila too. Now e don dey clear say the son of man cannot do, im third leg cannot do and sit down in one place. Imagine how old this man is. He still say na where im comot from na im go buy put. God abeg, what is all this? Now Leila, who felt that I stood for this man when everyone else was casting the stone, bullying him, telling him lot of things, I stood with him. Now he came out and I confirmed it, that yes, you are a good person. You stood by him when everybody left. Maybe he might have told you that he has changed, that he would make it work. You go who dey believe son of Adam. Oh God, if only Leila know. She for no even talk for this Ned Nwoko and Regina Daniel matter. At least that way, people go even listen to this their drama. But you later come out, come talk, drag Regina Daniel enter house, making her look as if she will cry out for inside Lamborghini, go enter keke napep. She no know wetin she dey cry for, making her look stupid before everybody, thinking that she was the problem. Ned Nwoko is not the problem. Now people dey wait make dem see how you go take come cry your own. I pray you don cry. And you no go leave Ipa for anybody o. He is the husband of your youth, of your old age. Abi na how una dey take put am. Make you no leave am for anybody o. Make sure say you hold am for that im third leg. If possible, make you tie am. Make we the online inbox dey hear am when im dey shout ai. Because if you no tie am, wetin happen for 1960, e go still repeat itself. E no be swear, no be anything. Na how e go be that. My people, the matter elonge. Now we don hear wetin sup. Leila own side na im we don hear so. We dey wait to come hear Ipa own, because una know say na every Eke market day na that man dey come dey drop press release. He go later come tell us wetin happen wey Leila dey activate her account. We dey wait o. Maybe this time around, Maka never talk wetin my mind dey tell me, because I know say e go soon come out. My people, na the matter wey dey ground o. Make una help us beg Leila say make she no leave Ipa for anybody o. Say na her peace of mind o. She is his everything. She is his air that he breathes. Make she allow am make he enjoy the moment. Say na she im go still come back come meet. If I go, na you I go come back to you. Abi how dem even take sing that song. So she no go leave am for anybody. Make she hold am tight. Regina don leave am for am. make she hold am tight. Abi my people, wetin una dey think? Make una come, make we interact via the comment section. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share like for more like minds and more recommendation. I remain your humble girl, Gift Edges. I'm dey bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.